Hi and welcome to the Crochet Circle. My name is Alex and today we're gonna do another flower. The link to the flower is gonna be posted below, but the end flower will look something like this. It's gonna have 5 petals and it's gonna be made in 3 rounds. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna make a magic ring. Tie it up, chain 1, and I'm gonna do 5 single crochet stitches in the magic ring. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna close the magic ring. Pull it tight. And using a slip stitch, I'm gonna close this round. So for the second round, we're gonna do increase in each of the 5 single stitches. First, I'm gonna do chain 1 and then 2 single stitches in the row below. So 1, 2, and then the next one. 1, 2, that's 4. 1, 2, that's 6 together. 1, 2, that's 8, and the last one. 1, 2, that's 10 stitches, and again I'm gonna do a slip stitch to join the round. Now for the third and the last row, I'm gonna do chain 3, triple crochet in the next stitch, triple crochet in the same stitch, triple crochet in the same stitch, and another triple crochet in the same stitch. So we have chain 3, 4 triple crochets, and then another chain 3 and a slip stitch in the previous row. And the first petal is made. Now we're just gonna repeat chain 3, 4 triple crochets in the same stitch. That's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. Chain 3 again. Oops. 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch in the row below. Two petals done, 3 more to go. Chain 3, 4 triple crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, slip stitch, 3 petals down. Now 2 more to go, so it's chain 3, 4 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, again chain 3 and a slip stitch. Now for the last one, again chain 3, 4 triple crochets in the same stitch. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 3, and now you have to put the slip stitch where you started, and just pull it through. Cut it off and pull the yarn through. Pull it really tight, and that is your flower done. Now for the other option is make petals in a different color. That's gonna be shown in the next video how to do it. Happy crocheting! If you liked the video, don't forget to like it. If you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!